and the local communities.
Education has been one of the major areas that India provide assistance to the Maldives. Other than the activities that you have already mentioned, a lot of students, Maldivian students, study in India. How would the government of India be helping those students? What are the measures that the government of India is taking to help the students from the Maldives?
It's a very good question. I would say that India is the largest provider in capacity buildings to Maldives. We have a government-to-government program whereby people working in the government or people recommended by the government are trained in India in a fairly big number. That number is about 150 annually. And there are short-term courses like 1 week, 2 week courses, but there are long-term courses also, like MBBS is there. There is a post-graduation in medicine, and these vacancies provided to Maldivians, even sometimes talented Indian students also can't get because there is huge competition. Then we have ICCR, which gives scholarships. We are also encouraging companies like GMR. They are giving 10 scholarships every year to Maldivian students to study in the university in India. Already there are 20 who are studying in India. So capacity building is not only ongoing, is expanding. Government of Maldives has a very ambitious program of training 7,500 youth, and Government of India has expressed its willingness to take over a major responsibility of training these people. So whether it is mason, plumber, mechanic, carpenter, we are ready to provide, and hopefully very soon we will be able to have the first class opened, training class opened in Maldives. So our commitment is not really limited to one field or one area. Government assistance, take the case of government assistance. India in the last 2.5 to 3 years has provided an assistance of about 300 million or so, or it's in the some of it is in the pipeline. In 2008 we provided the assistance of $100 million, which was partly budgetary support, partly was imports from India. Then again subsequently in 2010 through the State Bank of India we made available $100 million through the treasury bonds. Then now we are currently almost on the verge of agreement, signing an agreement for another 100 million for the Maldives. But this is only symbolic. What this represents is a goodwill that India is ready to share its resources, share its expertise, and share its whatever wherewithal that is available with it. And I think more important than the figures or millions or dollars is the spirit that India represents through its readiness to assist Maldives in whichever field that is possible. That to my mind is the ultimate test of friendship, is are you coming to our help when we need it? And India's response has always been yes, yes, and more than yes. We are always willing to assist.
The another